So this side is pretty much complete. We might have to do some additional pointing up here once we get closer to putting finish on, but I'm happy with this, the way it came out. I made a template out of, thin plastic, and I needed to replicate the other side. So using that template, we overlaid this here, and it did not transfer perfectly, but taking some measurements, I was able to sort of get things in pretty much the position that it needed to be. So with that done, then we just started tracing the lines with the single point and doing it very slowly and very gently, trying to get the line deeper and deeper. Once I've got this done, then I have to start figuring out where my master line is. And once the master line is done, then I should be able to get this thing all checkered up and make it look like the other side, which is obviously the goal.